Hi everyone. Today we will see optical isomers. Before going on to it, those who have not watched my earlier videos first watch those videos of the series because the topics are connected and then come to this video for better understanding, otherwise you will not get all the points. Link of the previous videos are in the description of this video. Let's start. Optical isomerism, the ability of the compound to rotate plane polarized light, is called optical activity. And the compound which rotate the plane polarized light are called optical active compound. Optical isomerism is characterized by the compound having same structure but different configuration. So what happens? First we will see the component. This is the sodium light, sodium land. It works as a source for this, and this is the monochromator. The work of the monochromator is to separate the color components of the light, and it also acts as a diffraction grating. And this is the filter or a filter. Filter removes the unwanted signals. So we will see how it's work. The ordinary light is passed through the monochromator and it is filtered and it is passed through the polarizer. This is the polarizing filter, or you can call as a polarizer. It is passed through the polarizer and we will then the light which we get is the plane polarized light. And this plane polarized light is then passed through a solution of the certain organic substance. The plane polarized light get rotated through a certain angle. This property of the certain organic substance to rotate the plane polarized light is called as optical activity. It may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. And then in the last we have the detector to detect the signals. So this is how the optical isomerism works, or we can get optical activity. Chirality. What is chirality? Chirality is defined as a property by which a molecule cannot be superimposed on its own mirror image. The word chiral is derived from the Greek word care, Cheir, care, meaning hand. It means it is like a hand. You can see here we have the hand, image of a hand. This is the left hand and this is the right hand. Both the hands are the mirror images, but it is not superimposable. You can also put your right hands and left hand and you can try to superimpose. It is not superimposable. Hence, this is a chiral molecule or chiral object. In this screw, it is also same. It is also a chiral molecule because both the mirror images both are the mirror images of each other, but they are not superimposable. You can see in this the screw is, and over here it is like this, so it is not superimposable. We can see more examples. The first example we have already seen, it is of the hand which cannot be superimposed, and second is the bottle. You can see over here both the bottles are mirror images, but they are also superimposable. As we can superimpose this, we cannot see the second one which is behind. We can only see the single object. So this type of object is called as a chiral. So what is a stereo center? What is a stereo center? Stereo center or non-stereo center. The centers such as the atom C, the atom which is surrounded by the different atom groups such as CH3 and Br, and over here it is the double bond. So all the groups are different, so it is a stereo center. But you can see in this example the CH3 and the CH3 groups both are same group, so this is not a stereo center, means all the groups should be different. Chiral center. A chiral center is an atom that has 4 different groups bonded to it in such a manner that it has a non-super mirror images. We have already seen it earlier. Now we will see it in a molecule or compound. You can see this is the carbon atom, and these both are both the isomers are the mirror images of each other. You can see OH, OH, Br, Br, CH3, CH3. But when we superimpose each other on each other, the OH come on this side and CH3 on Br will come on this side. So it is non-superimposable. And the compound with the 4 different groups are known as chiral center. Thank you for watching this video. We will see the other topic in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, press and comment. Press the bell icon.